بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا بكم أعزائي وأحبائي. اليوم إن شاء الله بنتكلم على موضوع مهم جدا في الكونستراكشن مانجمنت، وهو موضوع البادجت. Today إن شاء الله we'll talk about some issue which is very important, and this issue is name is the budget. Budget, how we can make control on the budget. This is our question for this one. For this video inshallah we will explain how we can control the budget in the construction project. And to understand how we can reply for this question, first of all, we have to understand properly what is the content of the budget in the construction project. We will take like one example. If we have one tower and the sale price for this tower is equal 100 million, and we need to make budget, and we want our target to make control and monitoring for our budget. How we can do it? First of all, like I explained in the first, we have to know first what is the budget content. What is the budget content? The main issue, as you everybody aware, that in the BOQ, in the bill of quantity, we have three issues. We have description of the item, and we have the quantity of this item, and also we have the rate for this item. Like example, if we take one example for the tile, ceramic tile, we have ceramic tile. In the item there is a description for this one, size of the ceramic 30 by 30, and the kind of the material, clear description about this item, and mention also the quantity of this item, 1000 meter square, how much is the area it will be covered by this item. Then the rate per meter square, how much is the cost, 45 dirham or 75 dirham, depend on the rate of this item. So as per the BOQ, we have, like I said now, description for the item, we have the quantity, and we have also the rate. This is three issue you can take directly from the BOQ for your project. Type, what is the role now and what is the target of the budget, and what we have to do in the budget? First of all, in the budget also I have the two columns, same as this one, quantity and also the rate. So we have in the BOQ the quantity, but in the budget I have to make double check for the quantity, actual quantity which is used in the site. Maybe it will come more than this item, maybe it will come less. So I have first of all to make control in the budget, you have to make properly QS to take all the measurement as per the clear description in the item, understand properly technical what is this item, what is the description included, and then he can take from the drawing or as per the site the actual measurement for this item. This is the first issue. It's very important to make control in the quantity of the item as per mentioned in the budget. So all of this item I will mention properly quantity for this item, even if concrete, even of ceramic, even if backfilling material, any descriptions for any item as per the BOQ mentioned. After finish the quantity, another issue I have to make control for the rate. I have already the rate which I put it my price in the BOQ. Like example, if inside the BOQ 75 dirham per meter square for the ceramic tile. What is the mention here in the rate? What is the price of the rate? This is the number 2. First of all, to make control for the budget, to make control for the quantity. Second issue, to make control for the rate. How we can make control for the rate in the budget? I have to take analysis price. Yani this item by this description, what is the cost of the material? What is the cost of the resource? What is the cost of any tools I use it? What is the cost of any equipment I use it? Or if this item done by a subcontractor or supplier. Like ceramic, so I have to know the price of the ceramic as a material, the price for the cement which I will use to apply this ceramic. So all the material required for this item I have to mention here. All the resource I have to use it, from labor, from masons, from helper, to make this item I have to mention here. All the tool I have to mention here. All the equipment I use it, maybe I use a shovel, bobcat, any GCB, any equipment I have to mention here. And from this item, which we use equipment and tool, and this one and this one, this plus this plus this, all of them, it will give you the rate of this item. So like this, I can control for the quantity and for the rate. If this item, it will done directly by subcontractor or supplier, so I have to mention as per the contract agreement with this subcontractor how much he will make for apply, and like example, he will take it by 45 dirham per meter square. So it should be mentioned here in the rate. If this item it will do by ourselves, so I have to make analysis like this and collect this analysis to be mentioned here. So the answering for the question how to make control the budget, I have to make control for the actual quantity, for the clear description for this item. Number two, I have to make control for the rate of this item. Through of this, I can make properly control for our budget for the construction work. In the next video, inshallah, we'll go through more detail in the budget to understand properly what is the content of the budget and how we can make more control and monitoring for our budget in the project. Thank you, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.